What's up YouTube? For today's video I'm going to show you how to test and identify the issue if your wireless drill is not working. So I've already taken apart the parts of this wireless drill. Basically all screws, just remove. The screws are there. I already have it removed. Here's the controls and the battery compartment that connects to the trigger, and it goes to the motor. Here's the motor, and here's the chuck area. Oops, my bad. So the issue on this one is the brush. So let me show you. Basically it just stopped working, and yeah, you keep pressing. The battery is good. I tested the battery. There's no problem with the battery. I tried even a new battery and it's still not working. So I keep pressing the trigger and it's not working. So the problem is this. You just have to pry this open, and let me show you the problem. So the problem is the brush is already broken. See, right here. So one leg is okay, but the other one is not. So I saw this magnet, piece of the magnet that's inside the motor, including this. So these are the broken part of one of the leg of the brush. So only one is intact. So there's two ways you could fix this. You could either replace the whole motor. This one might be hard to find. This one is RS550S 18 volts, and you have to make sure that you count the number of teeth, because if you order the wrong teeth, even it's RS550S 18 volts, it's not going to work. So you have to make sure this one is 12 teeth. So I could either buy one of these or just order online, Lazada or Shopee, this replacement, brush replacement. So you just have to remove or unsolder these two terminals and move this positive, the blue one, to this one with the red. This is the positive, or the blue. This is the black. And then once you're done, put this back here and it should be good to go. We can test this later. I don't have to assemble everything, but we can test this with the battery. So it's gonna be a little bit tricky for you to put this. I'm not going to be able to video it because I'm going to using both my hands, because I have to split this two apart. So you need to have some tools to split this two brushes apart so that you can insert it inside here. Okay, so this one is a little bit thick, so you can't just directly slot this in. You have to find a way how we can split this out or separate this one. Okay, so let me use both my hands because it's gonna be hard, and I'll show you once it's already properly slotted back in, and let's test it. Alright, let me do that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna nakabit ko na siya. Masolder ko na rin. I don't know if you can see, pero andyan na yung brush. Ayan. Okay. So ngayon, moment of truth. Connect natin positive to positive. Okay. So, connect natin. Okay. Alright. So ngayon, check natin kung gagana ba. Press natin to. Okay. So okay na. I don't know if you could see it, but and I'm pressing the button and okay na. Alright, so yun lang yung problema. Okay na siya. So now I'm gonna assemble this all back, and yeah, that's it. Hope this has been informative, and I hope you learned something. Hindi ko na pinakita yung pagbaklas and also the reassembly, kasi I'm sure naman pag tanggal nyo ng screws na kaya nyo na i-disassemble yun, and kaya nyo na rin siya in reverse order ibalik. Alright, so yun lang. Hopefully may natutunan kayo kung ano yung problema or ano yung papalitan or ano yung check if ayaw gumana yung hand drill or electric drill nyo or wireless drill. Alright, thank you, and please share, like, and subscribe for more videos.